Our next activity in Cam's classroom today is going to be dyeing wool with Kool-Aid. And today, joining me is Cheyenne. So for this activity, you're going to need wool, vinegar, measuring cup and measuring spoon, a bowl to mix your Kool-Aid in, Kool-Aid, and water. So in a glass bowl, you'll want to combine your package of Kool-Aid, your cup of water, a tablespoon of vinegar, and then you'll want to stir it all together.
First, we're going to add our Kool-Aid. We chose orange. Next, you're going to add a cup of water. Your final ingredient is a tablespoon of vinegar. Pour over your bowl to avoid any accidents. Stir the Kool-Aid until it's completely mixed.
Once the Kool-Aid is completely mixed, you'll be able to take your wool and submerge it in the liquid. The next step is to heat your wool for 2 minutes on high in the microwave. Now we just got our wool back from the microwave. And now Cheyenne, be really careful, it might be really hot. So the next step is to let your wool cool. And the best thing to do is you might be able to do it overnight. Once your wool has cooled, then you'll want to rinse it. The first step to do is to take your wool and place it in cool water.
Wow, looks like ours is coming out clear.
Well, that's great. We won't have to microwave it again. The next step is to dry the wool. Now that we have our colored wool, you can spin it using your hook to create yarn to use in our weaving project, or you can use this wool for our later project of making marbles. Thanks for joining us.